Hey everybody, it's Craig Fitzpatrick from Hosmer Chiropractic, and today we're going to be talking about the Egoscue Shoulder Integrator. For people that have a lot of wrist, especially elbow pain problems, this can be a great exercise. Often we are in a world right now where we're doing a lot of typing, texting, and our arms are kind of close to our sides, and we're doing a lot of motion here, but we're not really engaging the shoulders. And over time, that can cause a lot of irritation, again, at the elbows and the wrists. So what this does is this kind of helps to remind everything downstream of the shoulders that the shoulder needs to be in charge, doing a lot of the work. So I'm going to put my hand here. I'm going to stretch my hand flat, try to get it up about shoulder height. And what I'm going to do is I'm rotating here at the shoulder, going back and forth like this, getting a really good stretch in those forearms. I would say try to do 20 each way. This would be a good warm-up for any exercises, any pulling or pushing exercises like that. And again, I'm not using my elbow or my wrist. All of this motion is coming straight from my shoulder. I'm also trying to pull my shoulder blades back, nice and proud, and relax. So we don't want to do this with slumped shoulders. So I wouldn't want my shoulders slumped forward like that. I want a nice tall posture, my hand flat against the wall like that. Hope this helps, and we hope to see you at the clinic soon. Bye-bye.